Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today we will be discussing the recent visa approval of country Canada. So congratulations all the candidates who got recent visa approvals. So let's discuss profiles one by one. So first visa is of Yogesh. So candidate belongs from Kurukshetra and his profile is he did his grade 12 in 2023 with 50% with economics. And he's having IELTS overall 6 not less than 5.5. Applied for Conestoga College, Ontario. It is a public funded institution for the program Food and Beverage Management under Hospitality and Restaurant Operations Faculty. So many congratulations Yogesh. Another profile of the candidate is Manpreet. So Manpreet student belongs from Karnal, Haryana. So if we were talking about the Manpreet profile, so student did grade 12 in commerce field with 90% approximately in 2023 and applied for the institution Kwantlen Polytech University, Surrey, British Columbia. It is again public funded university. Got the visa approval for business administration diploma program. So many congratulations Manpreet Kaur. The next visa approval is of China. So you can see candidate belongs from Ambala city. If we will be talking about the profile of Gina, so candidate did her grade 12 in commerce again 2023 with 90% and above marks, having the overall band of 7 not less than 6.5. Applied for the application in Bachelor's of Commerce, University Canada West Vancouver. Many congratulations Gina for your visa approval. The next visa approval is of Parampreet Singh. So Parampreet Singh student belong from Jalandhar, Punjab. If we will be talking about the profile of Parampreet, so student did her Bachelor's of Commerce with first division in 2022. After that, he is having the work experience till October 23 as a representative operations, having IELTS overall 6.5 not less than 6. Applied for Sault College, Sault College, Sault Ste. Marie is the city, public funded institutions again. For the program PG Postgraduate Diploma Program in Advanced Project Management and Strategic Leadership. So many congratulations Parampreet. He's already having 3 refusals prior from another agency and got visa approval through Western Overseas. The next visa approval is of Himanshu Sherawat. So you can see the candidate belongs from Delhi. If we will be talking about the profile of this candidate, the candidate did grade 12 in humanities again with the subjects political science, geography and economics, having the percentage 63% overall. This candidate is having 2 modules 5.5. Yes, you heard it right. 6 overall, not less than 5.5 in 2 modules. Candidate got the visa approval for the Associate of Arts program, University Canada West, again Vancouver. So many congratulations Himanshu Sherawat. So the next visa approval, you can see Sagar. So Sagar candidate belong from Rohtak. Rohtak we will be having our branch also. So you can visit for your profile discussion as well. So the Sagar profile is grade 12 in 2021 with physics, chemistry and bio. After that, student is preparing for his NEET examination. But he applied his study visa for Canada and got the approval for the same. He's having IELTS overall 6, 2 modules 5.5 again. And he's having his visa approval for Capilano University. The program name is Associate of Science. So many congratulations, sir. If we will be talking about the next visa approval, so next visa approval is of Mansi Kharab. So Mansi Kharab student belong from Panipat, Haryana. And if we will be talking about the qualification of this candidate, candidate did Bachelor's of Computer Applications in 2023 from Kurukshetra University, having first division. After that, candidate is scoring 7 overall bands, not less than 6.5. Applied for George Brown College, Ontario, Toronto, for the program Applied AI Solutions Development. So many congratulations to Mansi Kharab for the visa approval. If we will be talking about the next candidate name is Nancy. So Nancy student belong from Nilokheri, Karnal. If we will be talking about the profile of this candidate, she did Bachelor's of Arts in 2021 from Kurukshetra University, again with first division 60%. Work experience from 21 to 24 as a business executive in a reputed firm. and having PT overall 61, not less than 53. So candidate applied her application for MBA program, Masters of Business Administration in International Business University, Ontario. So many congratulations, Nancy, for your visa approval. The next candidate is Lovepreet Singh. So Lovepreet Singh belonged from Sirsa, Haryana, applied his application from Western Overseas. If we will be talking about the profile of the candidate, so profile is grade 12 in non-medical, physics, chemistry, maths. So the specific marks in physics is 57, chemistry is 51, maths is 60. Applied his application for the program Associate of Science degree with specialization in Coast Mountain College. It is under the RNIP, British Columbia. So got his visa approval recently for his application. So many congratulations, lovely. Last but not the least, Mosam Chaudhary. So the candidate belonged from Dehradun, applied her visa application through Western Overseas. So the candidate qualification is MBA in HR in 2012. Yes, you heard it right, 2012 with 68%. Right after that, candidate is having experience, approximately 10 years experience as a senior operations executive in Earth Mineral Industrial Company. We applied her application in University Niagara Falls in Ontario in the program Masters of Management. Yes, you heard it right. So she's already having Masters and applied for again Masters program in Canada and got the visa approval. So for many visa approvals, for many further profile discussion, keep in touch with Western Overseas. Thank you so much.